Your transmission is one of the most expensive parts of your car. The scary part? It usually gives warning signs long before it fails completely. Ignore these signs, and you could be looking at a repair bill worth thousands of dollars. Here are 10 signs. Your transmission may be failing. And the last one is the biggest warning of all. 10. Delayed gear shifts. You press the accelerator, but the car takes a few seconds to change gears. This delay often points to transmission wear or low transmission fluid. 9. Hard or jerky shifting. If the car suddenly jerks or shifts roughly between gears, the transmission may not be operating correctly and should be inspected. 8. Slipping gears. If the engine revs higher but the car doesn't accelerate as expected, or the transmission unexpectedly changes gears, that's a serious warning sign. 7. Transmission warning light. Modern vehicles monitor the transmission electronically. If the warning light comes on, don't ignore it. It could prevent a much bigger problem. 6. Burning smell. A burnt odor may mean the transmission fluid is overheating or breaking down, reducing its ability to lubricate and cool the transmission. 5. Fluid leaks under the car. Transmission fluid is usually red or pink when new. A leak can quickly lead to low fluid levels and severe internal damage if left untreated. 4. Unusual noises. Whining, humming, grinding, or clunking sounds while driving or shifting gears often indicate internal transmission wear. 3. Poor acceleration. If the engine seems to be working hard but the car doesn't pick up speed normally, the transmission may not be transferring power efficiently. 2. Difficulty engaging drive or reverse. If there's a long delay before the vehicle moves after selecting drive or reverse, the transmission needs attention as soon as possible. And number 1. The car won't move at all. If the engine starts normally but the vehicle refuses to move in any gear, the transmission may have suffered a major failure. At this point, driving the vehicle could make the damage even worse. Your transmission rarely fails without warning. Catch these signs early, and you could save yourself from one of the most expensive repairs a car owner can face.